Hey everyone, if you've ever wondered how the stock market works or thinking about investing, you're in the right place. Let's break it down for you. The stock market is where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a share, you own a tiny part of that company. The stock market includes exchanges like the NYSE and NASDAQ, which are digital marketplaces for trading stocks. Companies sell stocks to raise money to grow their business, like expanding or launching new products through an IPO. When a company sells shares during an IPO, those stocks are publicly traded. After the sale, the company doesn't get any more money. Stock prices are set by supply and demand. More buyers mean higher prices, while more sellers mean lower prices.